Hello guys, so new video. It's been a while. I don't think I've done anything since I failed the Pure Insanity challenge, but I have a new one on the way. I just need to build some even more tolerance. I have my son here, the little brat thing. So I have a friend, or a new chili friend, I think, I hope, called Torgeir Stenberg. He is from a town called Sandefjord, which is a little while from here. He has sent me two very gnarly, sexy looking chilies. This is a brain strain. Looks very good. This is chocolate primatale, he said. So I'm gonna try this one first and see how it goes. I have a knife here because I'm gonna cut it up, take out some seeds. See what's on the inside. Ugh. Look here, guys. There's some seeds here. I'll take, oh, so juicy, so juicy. I don't want to remove much of the placenta, but I want some seeds. Oh, I'm slow, I know. It smells delicious. Hopefully it is, okay? I'm not very good with this video stuff. Now I have some seeds. Now I'll eat this here. Thank you. It was a good ride. Say something nice. Brain strain. Oh, this is hot. It's building. Oh, it's building. I have some friends telling me that I'm not very good at showing the aftermath of what I'm eating. This is very much on the tongue now. I feel something in my, it's on the tip of my tongue always. I don't feel much the rest of the mouth. A way different taste than the Reaper. Bit lighter on the taste. Earthier maybe. I'm not very good at describing taste. It was good. It was good. So this was the brain strain. I have a chocolate primatale here. I'll have to wait to eat this until until the burn is gone, at least. Perhaps I'll wait until tomorrow. But I'm This was hot. This was really hot and good chili. Ooh. I like it. I like it. It's hotter than the Reapers I have eaten lately. My tolerance is up since I did the Pure Insanity, because I bought a double doomed sauce and I've been eating it a lot. I don't particularly like that sauce. It's better when I eat it with just a spoon than having it on something. Ooh. I think it's peaked now. But yeah, I've eaten Reapers lately that's just, it's hard on the tongue, but not the rest of the mouth. I can barely feel it. This I can feel stronger behind here. I could probably eat more of these without dying, but it's definitely stronger than at least the Reapers I've had. If the Primatale is even stronger than this, I'm in for a ride. But I think that's it. I think I've peaked. So it's still here. Still here, not letting me relax quite yet. It's a very good burn. Not so much on the tongue now, so I can feel it more behind here. And it's feeling it going down. I'm happy I just ate. Yeah, my kid is getting annoyed with me, I think. So have a nice evening.